What up, good people? We gotta get an oil change, 2 tires in the front, and brakes put on the Coupe today. ArtOfSpeedd. Man, I went to my boy Adam, he's hooking me up. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate the love, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate him taking the time out, you know what I'm saying? Taking the time out of his busy schedule to help me put brakes, oil, and tires on the Coupe. Man. So I'm gonna help him out, you know what I'm saying? Got the gloves on so we can get dirty a little bit. So I might not be holding the camera too much, but let's go. Let's get into this video, man. How does this go? Because it got blasted up out there. Me personally, I'm hoping I don't have to, nothing happens. Plastic dip, as in the wheels coming on and putting it on. Because I don't feel like re-plastic dipping the wheels. I'll probably do it later on down the line, but yeah. What is that? That's a 17 inch? I mean, 17 millimeter? Okay. You see the rotors on that chain. I think they good. Whew. Alright, he got that jank loose. Done. Look at that. Whew. I was really trying to mess up them brakes. I was really trying to mess up my car. Having them Brembo brakes, man, they something else. Man, this is crazy. But yeah, we got trying to get the locking pins out of it.
Very light coating.
What's that?
It helps it from squeaking and helps against rust. Should just do a very light coating. Make sure you don't get it on the pad surface.
Gotcha.
See the back of that one?
You see the pads? Like, let's just do a, dang, can't do a comparison. Wait, this game. You see that? Whew. I hope that was in focus, but if it wasn't. Dusty, look, you know, but we got this thing going. You need to sit down here?
Yeah, you can.
And then you just gotta tighten them 17 bolts back in to 17mm bolts back in. That is it. Now we gotta work on the back side. I haven't replaced these since I purchased the vehicle. I replaced the front, and you know, the people who watch my channel from the beginning of me. So yeah, I replaced these in my 1 year update of my car. So now I'm replacing the back ones too. So we about to go in on that. See how these things fall? The tires fall. In comparison, from bald to not bald. So I just went ahead and replaced both of them because one of them was already bald. But I just would say, might as well just replace the second one too. And, you know, it'd be right to replace two, then one. And then later on down the line that we're gonna go. So yeah.